Hello. Hello. There she goes. Hello. Ooh, wild woman. Wild woman. Here's my dirty clothes that need to be done. Woo! 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 So, I'm looking at this in the daylight and I just love it even more. I think this is really, really beautiful. The complaint that I heard, oh, you like it too? This? It's called a rug. It's called a rug. It looks nice with our little blue chair, you know, and the balloons from the birthday party. That is a chair. That's right. The common complaint that I read on this rug was that people were expecting more of a bright white. Thanks, Naya. That they were expecting more of a bright white, and it's actually more of a, I mean, it's more of a cream color, I would guess. I think it really depends on the light, too. Because, I mean, this obviously isn't white, but it does look light. And I don't think I could imagine putting something much lighter on the floor, just because I do have kids, and I think this will hold up quite nicely over time. What's that?
Apple.
Apple. Yeah. Healthy fruit. Healthy fruit. Healthy fruit. Yeah. A pear and an apple. A pear. Yeah, there's the green pear. There's the red apple. Delicious. Yeah, healthy fruit. Oh, did you make pizza? My favorite. Okay, I've got the baby bears. We're on a walk. Weather's so yucky today, but we don't care. We just want to get out because we were home yesterday, huh? Yesterday was actually the much nicer weather. Woo! Good girl. Okay. Oh, there looks like a lot of traffic. Not for us though, that's why we walk. My little people, wouldn't change them for the world. Woo, go! She wants to keep up with brother. I had plans of taking the kids into central London today, but we just woke up and we're so lazy. It's like, I kind of feel like don't force something, don't force it. We were all just really enjoying the pace, the change of pace, which usually on a Tuesday morning is quite hectic and crazy. Okay, let's hold hands. Hands. Across the street. Yeah, you're doing a nice job, Callum. Thank you. Callum's on school break, and actually Roman's taking tomorrow and then the next 2 days off of work. He's got extra time off that he needs to use. And so I figured we'll probably be busy and doing stuff over the next few days. Do you want mommy to hold you? Come here. She just stops, and that's when I know it's time to pick her up. It's a long way for little legs. You know, it's a long way. Hey, how are you feeling today?
Good.
Good? She's got a bit of a runny nose. But in general, we're probably going to be very busy the next few days. So I thought just having a quiet day with the kids, just walking, getting out of the house, because we didn't get out of the house yesterday. It's supposed to be raining all day today. So things like the park are kind of out of the equation. But it is a holiday for me, and I guess for the kids too. It's Mardi Gras, it's Fat Tuesday. So I figured we'll probably just go to Costa, and I'll let the kids have a special little treat because it's Mardi Gras, and oh, I miss New Orleans so much right now. Are you eating your sandwich?
Hot.
It is hot. There you go. We're just looking out. Oh, I see it. Yeah, Sainsbury's is over there. You see where that orange sign is right there? There's Sainsbury's. Yeah, this is great. Is this fun? Just, you know, standing here in the rain. Hey! Yeah, look at those smiles on these faces. Oh, well done. Dad, look at her little leggings. Oh, that's all right. That's all right. Memories are more important than clothes. That's all right. Yeah. Woo, the umbrellas are going. Look, I'm gonna get in on this too. Woo! I don't have rain boots, but that's okay. I don't care. Go! Look at that jumping. Whoa! Yeah! We've got room in here. We're planning a little surprise. Kind of a last minute surprise, but it'll be fun.